Are you planning to contact experts for your commercial roof repairs in Australia? Connect with the licensed and insured roofing specialists from Tradecom Group. They have a team of skilled and trained roofing specialists with decades of experience. They take pride in their quality roofing services for residential, commercial and strata roofing projects. All their contractors possess relevant skills, profound expertise, and a wealth of experience. Count on them for ceiling and leak fixes, installation of gutter guards, flashing repairs, broken tile replacement, and more. To book a free consultation, call 1-300-301-888 and browse tradecomgroup.com.